check.
Hey guys, it's Eriki in Zimbabwe at the moment. I just want to wish you all a happy new year 2022. So, in this day and age, okay, I'm not used to the thunder. Soon, I'll be coming with an episode of the Ruendo, the journey. It will be coming on this channel. In the meantime, keep supporting local Sungura artists. 2021 has been a rough year for the music industry. A lot of arts players. Yeah, it's been a challenging year, so we have to support everybody. And please come back, come to the shows, attend the music live shows. So, yeah, I'll see you soon.